All right, so you know that I'm Arvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate. I came across this one today and they are actually doing a lot of work to renovate it, but it's still so unique and so beautiful that I wanted to share it with you. It is in Atlanta, and well, let's just go inside and you can see what I see. And like I said, they're doing work on it, so um, can't really get a great look of what it looks like outside, but and the inside is, let's just go inside. I'm out here narrating and I could just take you on inside. So, starting out with this great porch, really great southern kind of Florida feeling kind of porch. But then when you go inside, this is what your guests will see when you first go inside. So all of the lights, I couldn't really get them to illuminate, but we're still going to be able to get a feel for what this is doing, even though the lights really wouldn't come up that great. But so yeah, let's just go through. And I'm going to call that one that you just looked at the dining room. And this on this side, the formal living room. Lots of great shadow boxes, coiffured ceilings, and a fireplace. Here we've got this, can't really call it marble, but I'm just going to say it's some kind of a stone on the floor as you enter, and then hardwoods are going to go throughout. But this feature here is a fireplace that separates the sunroom from this eat in, or I don't know, kitchen. It's very different kitchen. And I wish there were more light so that you could really catch how beautiful it is. That's the fireplace and the kitchen. We've got can lights on the ceiling, and the countertops are granite with very beautiful gray black veins. There is the Wolf 6 burner range, and we've got still a granite backsplash. Not a lot of color or vein in this one, but we do have a double oven and a walk-in pantry, and the refrigerator is hiding back here in the pantry. And look, a Sub-Zero there as well. Kind of neat, right? Okay, so you can see here there's still lots of stuff to see here. We've got a butler pantry. It's a small one, but it's still a butler pantry that goes to the formal dining room. So here's where you might put, I don't know, living room furniture, since there is that gigantic TV there. And this space, again, the fireplace separates this area over here, which I would call a sunroom. Now, if we could see outside the window here, because they are doing the work outside, this lit area, very lit up area, would expose what I'm going to show you in just a moment. I think, let's see if this door is the best one to go out. Yeah, this one's good. So you come out here, and there is a channel swimming pool. Yep, 1 lane swimming pool. Then over here, we've got this space, garden space, where you could have your burner, torch, fire setup, And then there's more porch on this side. And this is still the house. Okay, so let's go back inside and see the living quarters. All right, there's the fireplace and the giant TV. So over here, we have half bath. And behind me on this side, we have, I'm gonna call this like a awards space. So your Grammys and your Oscars and that kind of stuff can go there. There's shelves there on every place for all the awards. So over here we've got the laundry room, and it's huge and massive so that you can do all of the laundry for the entire family. And one more time for the space for the Grammys and the Oscars and the Tonys. All of that stuff goes right there. Let's see. That's shelf. See, that's a shelf. And that's a shelf. Yeah. So it's for the awards. Okay, right here. I wish you could see how it looks when it's lit up, but I can't figure out the lights. But that is a small wine cellar. Yep, that's what it is. Now we've got the entrance to the bedroom. This is where the magic is going to begin to happen. I'm sorry, guys, it's such a bad quality video, but it's a really, really interesting house that's worth sharing. So there's a different texture and color up there on the ceiling. It's kind of a black with a glittery thing going on. And your fireplace. We've got a closet here. And this is the owner's suite. There are additional bedrooms with closet organization systems upstairs as well. But because the lighting is so poor, I'm going to skip those. But I will show you this spa-like bath. That is the water closet. Here we have the shower. And the bathroom is beautiful. I wish I could give you more light so that you could really appreciate how absolutely beautiful this is, but they're working on it. They're working on the house, but it's just a beautiful house, and I felt like I wanted to share it with you in spite of it. But I'm Marvelyn Lewis, and I sell real estate. Call me when you need an agent. Call me